Yeah, the two top ones I keep like poking and stuff.
What do you do for it?
I work at the steel mill. I'm even used to it in the summer now. Alright, let's try it like this. If I need it shorter, I'll definitely come back. Oh yeah.
Have a good day, Tony.
I want these 3 lights in the shot. So I'm going to have you and turn your head towards me.
I always think when I see these and it has like a red tone, I always think of Zootopia, where he's like, she's like, you're legally trying to mislead them saying that you're selling them red one. He's like, no.
We like to work super close knit to the community, so
Get to work it like it's kind of like
A little bit better, huh? I don't know if you ever watched SpongeBob growing up or anything, but how did you get that perfect circle? Well, first I drew this immaculate sketch, and then I just erased a few things, and there you have a circle.
You liking the new plate?
Oh, I love it. Yeah, so much more space.
Like an assembly line for haircuts. What'd you ask Santa for Christmas?
Capucha?
Capucha.
If you were on the Star Wars ride,
Yeah.
that takes you through the Empire and stuff.
Epcot on the same day on the park hopper.
Oh man, the Galaxy's Edge made that whole park worth it though. Like I could have just spent the whole day in that area. I'm not even that huge of a Star Wars guy. Are we good? Yeah, good seeing you again. The cowboy client. I feel like the hustle can get really toxic too. Yeah, you do. You guys got a nice